Alright, go ahead.
My uncle made this.
What's up, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, and y'all know who it is. It's your boy, Texas Man, taking in the game music mode. Today on deck's gonna be a quick video, man. Got this pickup from online. Right. Cheer, baby. The man right here. The man right here. I already got my scissors in hand. Like I said, it's gonna be a short video. Oh, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, man. And always like my videos, baby. Do me a favor. Smash that like button. Yeah, so. As y'all can see, I got on my Buc-ee's tee. You know what I'm saying? Got my scissors in hand. I just got off work, man. And I ate, man. My wife made me a steak, bro. I had a T-bone steak. I was like, T-bone steak, eggs. What's that, Biggie? I forgot how Biggie says it, but something like that.
A T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and Welch's grape.
Ate me a big old meal. And some, what are they? Hash browns, like hash browns with cheese on top. Man, I didn't know I was that hungry, man. Like, I mean, I had a big ass steak. I'll put a picture on there so y'all can see.
What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about, bro?
I ate all that. I had to power up, man, because I'm finna go to the gym with my homie Jose, man. He going for a PR on his bench press, man. I'm gonna go, you know, we ain't gonna have a bench press party, but we're gonna go hit it up, man. Hit a little bit of chest, man. You know what I'm saying? I've been slacking lately on the gym, man. I had been hurt for a while with my back. I think my back's 100% now. Took me a while. Been doing legs. I did legs the other day. But yeah, I'm just getting back into things, man. But I haven't been copping too much, as y'all know. But hey, this is a hype beast pickup, man. Let's go ahead and open it. I ain't take long on this video. I'm gonna be quick, man, because I gotta go. Phone charging and things, man. You know what I'm saying?
My uncle
We're gonna open it together with y'all. I'm not gonna do a review. I'm just gonna show it and tell y'all what y'all think about it. What I think about it real quick. And then send y'all on y'all way, you know what I'm saying? Put them scissors down. Gotta pop the top, baby. Pop the top. Pop the top, baby. Hey, throw that box to the side. You already know what it is, right? You should know what it is based off this box. If you watch or keep up with the kicks, man, you should know exactly what it is. Bam! Got them Yeezy things on deck, baby. The colorway is Lundama. I don't even know how to pronounce the damn name, bro. Y'all gonna give me flack for not knowing how to pronounce the name. Anyway, supposedly all these colorways are named. I don't know about all the colorways, but the majority of these new Yeezy colorways are named after. They said Land Rocks, Moon Rocks, and I know one was the Constellation. Some of the constellations have some of the names too, which is a pretty dope idea, because if you trying to say your stuff is out of this world, that's a dope idea, man. Like, you can't knock that. I've had I've had about 5-6 pairs of different Yeezys in my collection over the years. Currently only have 2 right now. 350 BBBB2, baby. I'm just playing with y'all. Now I'm serious. How come the box won't come out? I don't even know why the box won't come out. Am I tripping here? Something got my box hung up, bro. Am I not pulling it open all the way? There we go. Something was getting hung up in there. I don't know what it was, but you saw. Got that paper extra crispy. Like my chicken from KFC, baby.
I'm gonna get the mighty bucket for one.
Extra crispy.
This is finger licking good.
Bam. This is first reaction, first time I seen these in person, man. You ain't gonna get no good golly Paul Wale out of me, man. They're alright. One thing I can really say is I like the little clear part on there. I actually thought they looked, honestly, I thought these looked better on the pictures. I still do think they look better on the pictures than they do in person. The statics are better than these, bruh. That's just my opinion, but you know. Yeah, I'm not impressed with these, man. But you know, you get your same thing with your Yeezys, man. Same thing. Ain't nothing changed. I ain't got no reactions for it because once you open so many pairs of Yeezys, it's like the same thing over and over again. Unless you are a avid Yeezy supporter, man, and just like, if this is your favorite shoe, it's your favorite shoe, but not me, man. You know what I'm saying? This is a flip city for me, bro, to be honest with you. But yeah, man, I copped. I'm not saying I don't like the color. The color's pretty straight though, but I'm just saying on this silhouette, I prefer a color that pops, man. Even the triple blacks look, even that color don't really pop, but I mean it just look better to me. Like for this silhouette, I think that this color is like, it's too like dull. Like it don't stand out enough to me, man. I like my stuff to pop, bro. Like the butters, I like stuff like that. The blue tints, man, I like that because it's like, that one's kind of mellow, but it still pops because you see it in certain angles. You're like, man, them things is blue. Nah, these ain't hitting it, bro. These ain't doing it for me, man. I'm just keeping it 100 with y'all. Let me put these to the side. Y'all let me know down below. Did you cop them things? Did you strike out? I know a lot of people struck out, man. Me and a couple homeboys at work, we was all trying to get them. I think I'm the only one at work that even got a pair. I got 8 pairs, so I ain't tripping. Hey, y'all. I got 8 pairs, so I'm not even tripping. If you looking behind me and you know I'm in my sneaker room, you might be able to see. I don't know if you can see or not, but there's a lot of pairs down there that's like not in the boxes. Man, I got kicks all over the place, man. I've been selling kicks, wearing them, not cleaning them how I'm supposed to, man. I got kicks everywhere, bro. Like, I gotta get this stuff together, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I don't want to make this video too long. Y'all write down in the comments, man, did you cop them or were these straight trash? What do you think they were, man? They're not my type, so I'm flipping them, bro. Like, if they would have been cool, man, I probably would have kept them, honestly. You know, to go in my collection, a little hype beast. I keep a little hype beast stuff here and there. Like, I still got my off-whites, or one of my pairs of off-whites. I sold my LeBrons, man. I forgot to tell you, I sold them LeBrons, them the 1-5s, the What's, the LeBron 16s. I sold those, man. That was on my collection video. If you haven't watched my collection video, go watch that. This is the last video I posted. But I sold those, man, because like I said, shoe was fire, man. But I just felt like I was never gonna wear it. The price was getting too up there. If I would have worn it, it'd have been like a one-time wear. I really honestly prefer just to wear my Jordans, man, like over any other shoe, bro. Like, I got Air Max and stuff, but I hardly wear my Air Max, man. I got a couple pairs that I wear all the time, but the rest of them, they hardly get worn, man. Like, I'm always in J's, bro. Like, I just feel good wearing my J's. That's just me, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Inside peanut butter, outside jelly. 7 days of the week, 7 different shifts. Black SS with the top blowed off. So bring up them boys, get your top blowed off.
My uncle made this.
Oh, push. I got it. More. Gotta get it in, bro. Don't forget to like if you will, subscribe if you're trill. Till next time, we about this thing.